Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll talk about a concept you might hear about quite often, but perhaps aren't completely sure what it means. Our main goal today is to explain exactly that and how it is changing how we, as testers, do our job. This concept is shift-left testing. So, what exactly is shift-left testing? Essentially, it means we get involved much earlier in the software development lifecycle. Instead of just testing finished code at the end, we begin our testing activities right from the very beginning. For example, we participate in reviewing user stories or design documents, not just testing the final product. Why is this shift so incredibly important for us? As testers, we know the pain of finding complex bugs late in the cycle. These are the bugs that cause major delays, unexpected costs, and a lot of frustration because fixing them requires extensive rework. Shift-left means we catch problems when they are small and easy to fix. This drastically reduces the amount of painful rework and significantly lowers the cost of fixing defects later on. It makes our job more efficient and impactful. What are some practical examples of how we actually shift left? A core practice for us is actively participating in the requirements gathering and design phases. We review specifications, ask clarifying questions, and help ensure that what is being built is actually testable. We might even start outlining test scenarios right there. Another example is participating in activities like static testing or pair testing with developers. We can review code or design documents before features are even fully built. We might also work together with developers to define clear acceptance criteria, making sure everyone agrees on how the software should behave before coding even begins. We also shift left by enabling early testing environments. This means setting up lightweight test environments or using virtualization and mocking tools so we can test individual components or services as soon as they are ready, without waiting for the entire system to be integrated. It is about creating mini testbeds for early validation. And what about the benefits for us, the testing team? This truly is the core topic. The benefits are immense and far-reaching. We get faster feedback on quality, which means less time spent waiting for builds and more time on high-value testing. The overall code quality improves significantly, leading to vastly fewer critical bugs reaching later stages, ultimately accelerating our release cycles. This collaboration also means we understand the product more deeply, making us more effective and valued team members. We spend less time on tedious bug reproduction and more on exploring complex scenarios. Does this mean our traditional end-to-end testing is no longer needed? Absolutely not. Shift-left testing enhances our role, it does not replace it. We still need robust end-to-end and system integration tests. However, by shifting left, we ensure that the major, costly bugs are caught and fixed long before they ever reach our final testing phases. What are some challenges we might face when implementing shift left? One significant challenge can be cultural resistance. We need to advocate for our early involvement and help other teams understand the value we bring from the start. We also need to adapt our own skills, moving beyond just execution to more analytical and proactive roles. Any final thoughts on shift left from a tester's view? Shift left is more than just a technique. It is a mindset that empowers us as testers to be true quality advocates from day one. It is about building quality in, not just validating it at the end. It elevates our role and makes us indispensable to the success of the project. If you found this guide helpful, please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insights, and thank you for watching.